I'm Todd Hines, co-founder of Climate Scale Up, where we help bring together CEOs in the climate and energy space who are getting ready to either expand internationally or engage with a wide range of investors and customers. We help bring them to Davos, make the experience easy for them, really try to help them get access to events and connect with the people that they need to expand their business. So we have some of our CEOs here. We're going to go down the line and hear what they're working on. So Mahesh, why don't you kick things off?
Thank you, Todd. Good morning, everybody. My name is Mahesh Kunduru. I'm the CEO of Momentum Technologies. We're based in Texas, the U.S. So Momentum Technologies tackles a very important problem, which is the processing and recovery of a broad range of critical minerals. Critical minerals power most of the industrial economy for the future, which includes mobility, energy, and the defense sector. And what we've been working on is a technology that can, at a very attractive unit economics, recover most of these things from a variety of sources, including primary and secondary. This is of strategic importance from a supply chain resilience perspective for most of the Western world. We're quite excited to be here, and Todd and team, thanks for bringing us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Peter Goddard. I am the CEO and founder of Found Industries, where we're solving some of the most important problems at the intersection of energy and material supply chain. We have a vertically integrated platform that extracts critical metals from a variety of industrial process streams. We sell those metals to enable the energy transition, all the metals that go into supporting the infrastructure for AI, for example, and defense. And then we also use some of those metals to generate energy to then power those same industries that we need to power that industry. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Erica Nemzer, CEO of Ardent Process Technologies. We help the hard-to-abate sectors, so things like steel, cement, and power, to decarbonize. And we do that by bolting onto their existing facilities and doing a carbon capture solution, and in some cases, in actually improving their productivity. So we're here at Davos and really meeting with great investors and stakeholders to help us deliver those solutions out into the marketplace.
And my name is Tim Heidel. I'm co-founder and CEO at VEIR. At VEIR, we're building high-density superconducting-based power delivery solutions that address critical power bottlenecks in transmission systems, in the distribution of power around industrial campuses, including data centers, and inside AI factory buildings that are now operating at the highest of scale and highest of density. I'm excited to be here at Davos this week. I think it's clear to everyone that energy is a gating factor in the race to win AI. Solutions like ours can allow projects to be deployed faster, can open up new performance envelopes in allowing everybody to deploy infrastructure in a much more dense configuration. It's been a fantastic week connecting with a lot of world leaders in the AI space.
Now, AI is one of the key themes of Davos this year. It's pretty much on all of the buildings, all of the houses across Davos. So why don't we do a real quick thoughts on how your company can support the growth of AI?
Sure. So at Ardent, we can help decarbonize firm power that all data centers need in order to deliver their solutions into the marketplace at a low carbon footprint way. And so we use point source carbon capture on the back of natural gas combined cycle power to be able to decarbonize for them.
Yeah, and at Found Industries, we're tackling this problem from a couple different points in the supply chain. Tim said it best, that energy really is a gating factor. You need people to generate energy, but you also need people to convert thermal energy into electricity. You need power electronics to supply that electricity. We're looking at metals like gallium, indium, germanium, which are important across power electronics, optoelectronics. Without these, even in small concentrations, you don't get your data centers downstream.
Yeah, I'll just add to that. We're both a consumer of AI and a supplier for AI. On the consumption side, we use the AI tools to very judiciously and expeditiously do the processing flow sheet optimization. And on the supply side, as Peter said, we supply a lot of the materials that go into powering a lot of the AI, which include power sources, which include, any of the robotics, drones, all the other materials that go into making the AI economy what it should be.
Yeah, and at VEIR, we work with data center developers to allow projects to move forward faster. We actually allow folks to lay out data center interiors in a different way in order to pack more computing power and more servers into a smaller space and achieve higher performance.
All right. Well, thank you very much. This is our third cohort of CEOs coming to Davos with Climate Scale Up.